If you are a triple E student and planning for GATE 2027, this video can change how you prepare. Most students make one mistake. They start preparation without a plan. They randomly pick one subject, watch random lectures, and after a few months they feel lost. I don't want you to do that. So today I'll give you a clear roadmap for GATE 2027. Step 1. Understand the syllabus. Triple E is not about the one subject. It has three parts. First, mainly engineering mathematics because it has high scoring. Core subjects. Next. And finally, general aptitude. General aptitude, you have to practice every day at least minimum 30 minutes. If your basics are weak, start with engineering mathematics because it will help in almost every subject like signals and systems, control system, electrical circuits, everywhere. Step 2. In this order, you have to prepare your subjects. Don't study randomly. Start with network theory, signals and systems, control systems, then move to electrical machines, power system, power electronics, then finally move to instrumentation, digital electronics, and analog electronics. This order helps you understand concepts better. Step 3. Daily plan. You don't need 12 hours, even 6 to 8 hours of consistent study is enough. Morning, learn concepts. Afternoon, practice problems. Night, revise what you studied. Step 4. Weekly strategy. Every weekend, revise full week what were you learned. Solve previous year questions. Take one mock test. Finally, don't just watch videos. Practices everything because GATE is not about how much you study in one day. It is about how many days you don't quit. And this is just the starting. In the next video, I am going to give you a complete 6 months timetable for GATE 2027, subject by subject, especially for AAA students. So you don't have to think what to study next. You just have to follow the plan. If you are serious about GATE 2027, don't miss the next video and comment start 2027.